If you are on TRT and still look and feel shit, it's not your dose or bad genetics, it's your standards. TRT is not enough. TRT raises your capacity. Standards decide the outcome. TRT didn't fail you. You failed the plan. In the next few minutes, I will give you the 4 standards that make TRT actually work. No theory, no fluff. If you are stuck, one of these is missing. Here is the plan. Standard 1 is sleep, because TRT will not outwork bad sleep. I am not talking about waking up at 5 a.m. like Navy SEAL. I am talking about bedtime standards. Because your body loves consistency. Same time most nights. Lights down, phone off, brain off, romance on, chill, bedtime. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. If you are under 7 hours, don't be shocked you feel flat. You're cutting into a sleep that actually restores you. So the simple rule is, build a bedtime routine you can actually repeat and protect it like it matters. Standard 2 is training, because confidence comes from kept promises. Rule, minimum 2 sessions per week, non-negotiable. Full body, upper lower, yaw split. I don't care, hit the minimum. For me, I train 4 days per week for 2 hours. Not because I need to, but because I love it. And I go no matter how shit my day is and how crap I feel. My rule is just start. If I'm struggling so much that I need to cut it short, that's fine. But that has happened handful of times in decades. And I always feel better after the session. Minimum standard if life is busy. 30 minutes twice a week. Keep the chain going. Standard 3 is food, because TRT doesn't cancel overeating. Simple rule, whole foods, protein first. I eat 5 smaller meals. Protein every meal, fruits or veg every meal. And if you are busy, keep it simple. 3 solid meals with protein shakes in between. It keeps you full and stops the snacking that ruins most men. Because the problem isn't that you don't know what to eat. It's that you eat well until you get tired or stressed, and then standards disappear. Standard 4 is discomfort, because it's what most men misunderstand. The reality is, progress hurts, stagnation hurts. Choose your discomfort. Choose slight hunger or choose staying soft. Choose feeling self-conscious in a gym or choose staying stuck. Choose going to bed on time or choose waking up tired and angry at yourself. Minimum standard, never miss twice. You missed a workout? Fine. Don't miss the next one. You went off plan? Fine. Next meal, you are back. TRT makes effort feel good. But you still have to choose effort. So here is the truth. TRT is a tool. Standards are the plan. If you pick one standard today, TRT starts compounding instead of just existing. Comment one word. Sleep, training, food, discomfort. Which one are you raising first? And subscribe, because the next video is the TRT no diet diet. The rules are used to stay lean without living on a diet.